Hello little artists, let's get crafting. Now, I know some boys and girls who have been looking at things Jamaican. So I thought this week we'd make a little poster that I think I will call Colors of Jamaica. Here are the things we are going to need. An old magazine, some newspaper, a red heart, and a white sheet of paper to paste everything down on. Our tools, we'll need some glue, scissors, a black Sharpie, and some sort of straight edge so we can mark out some rectangles for cutting. So I've gone ahead and looked through my newspaper and my magazine, and I've cut out anything that even slightly looks like black, green, or gold, or the little pieces that I could find in the Jamaican colors. I have cut them out, even some unusual looking ones such as this. It doesn't matter whether they are pictures of people, buildings, plants, anything that I could find in my Jamaican colors. And what I'm going to do with all of these is simply place them. You will notice that I did cut them in rectangles, as I told you. I used my straight edge to mark them off and just cut them out as best I could. Now, what I'm going to do is just place them all over my background paper. I want to put black against yellow and then introduce some green and just keep on until my whole space is filled in. I'm going to kind of set them out and see if I like the arrangement before I start pasting. So this is what we ended up with, and I think I'm pretty pleased with it. What I tried to do is not put yellow beside yellow or green beside green, but to really mix it up and spread my bright yellows out and my bright greens out as much as I could. And I made sure also that my favorite pieces were not in the middle, because that's where I have chosen to put my red heart. Now, it's up to you where you want to place your red heart. You can put it anywhere you wish, but I think I'm going to place mine just about there. So, a dab of glue, as I always say, just a dab will do ya. And then I'm going to write something about Jamaica in the middle. I could just write Colors of Jamaica or Jamaica, but I think I'm going to write Jamaica, One Love. So here I go. That's it. And that's my Colors of Jamaica poster. Have fun making your own.